been asking me for more POV videos with the C5 Corvette, and today I'm gonna deliver just that. And time for the GoPro. All right, let's get it going, guys. We'll let her warm up for a second before we get to go driving. I did recently just put new spark plugs on this thing, so this will be the first official drive that we've done since replacing the spark plugs. So hopefully she drives pretty good. Definitely sounds good. All right, let's get to going. Look at that oil pressure. We're at like 70 PSI right now. Oh my goodness. I have missed driving this thing. I haven't been driving it all too much. Been out of town on the weekends. I've driven the C8 a few times in the past weeks. But man, I have missed this car. Just feels so good. Feels so good to roll through the gears. That's one thing that I 100% miss every time I drive the C8 Corvette. As amazing as that car is, the stick shift. It's just so satisfying. Just so satisfying. Also guys, for anyone that's been keeping up with the channel, next week we're finally going to be installing a new part on the C5. It's been a little while since we've actually done something to this car, and it's actually an interior part, and I'll give you a hint. It's a brand new steering wheel, which I'm super excited about. So yeah, y'all be ready for that. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I think at the same time we're also going to attempt to clean the airbag finally. A lot of y'all been messaging me on Instagram and whatnot, telling me just to wipe it off with alcohol to get all the stickiness off of, I just honked the horn. Whoops. All the stickiness off of the airbag. And yes, we are gonna stop a little bit because I need some gas. Oh yeah, I forgot. Little gas release. Bloop. $93 only. All right, you know what? This pump is super slow. We've only pumped like 3 gallons, but it's getting dark pretty fast. And I want to go to a certain spot before sunset hits, so we're gonna go ahead and get on the road. I will tell you what though, I think we're gonna take the top off. Easy as pie. All right, back on the road we go. This car truly is so much better and so much more fun to drive whenever the top's off too. So having the top off might mess with the audio a little bit, but you know, that's all right. I know you guys don't really want to hear me talk. Y'all want to hear the car sounds, and I don't blame you. Oh, it sounds so good! Gotta love the random hats flying out from the back of the hatch. Oh my gosh, it is oh my gosh! That's the police! Right there, that Charger. Like I was saying before, I saw the cop and I got distracted. This car is burbling and popping a lot today. Like a lot, guys. I'm not complaining, it sounds really good. Ah, it sounds so good. It's just so addicting. You can get into trouble so fast with cars like this. It is absolutely insane. Just a cop magnet from the sound, from the looks, and from the speed. Oh my goodness. Well, the road itself is not all that great. Talk about some potholes. But out here is kind of cool. I feel like taking some pictures over here would be a little neat. You have to block half the road. Just dodging some potholes, dodging some potholes. Oh my goodness. Oh. Please don't scrape my carbon fiber. I like this. That background's nice. That line of cars is crazy. I should have gone. I mean, like, just take a look at this, guys. Look at that. Tell me that would not be a good photo. There's no one coming. Look at that. That's awesome. All right, let's get back in the car. Now that the line of cars are gone, we'll let her eat a little bit. Again. That was nice. Really doesn't look like we're going to be getting much of a sunset. Still is pretty though. Gosh, the backfires. I love it. Oh, what are you? Police. Oh, we're going the speed limit. Hell yeah. That's nice. We're gonna pull over right here. Oh, man. Like I was saying, guys, this car is just so much fun. I really can't describe it in any other way. This is just a awesome, cheap, fun car. I mean, it's actually kind of funny. Lately, I've been enjoying this car more than the C8. I compare them a lot. I even have videos comparing the two cars. I mean, the C8 is great in its own way. You know, it's new, feels new. But this car, it just has a charm to it. It just really doesn't get much better for the price that these cars cost. $15,000. We have a convertible car with pop-up headlights, a cammed V8, a 6-speed manual transmission, pretty decent suspension. I mean, the only negative about this car, would be the interior. That's all I can think about. Maybe maintenance. I mean, but the maintenance really isn't all that bad anyways. At least for me, so far, the maintenance hasn't been all that bad. If you're thinking about getting one, oh man, can I drive manual today? If you're thinking about getting one, I highly recommend. Listen to these pops, by the way. What is going on? Like, brother, if this hat does not stop coming forward, I swear, it's a Make Corvette Great Again hat. Yes, we get it. Little Challenger. Look at how pretty the view is. Oh man, I love going across this bridge. There's a little C4 over there. Wow. Don't really see those out much. That one was good. Gosh, this car just sounds so good. Ah, I cannot get over it. I really cannot. Our second gas station visit within like 25 minutes. We had that leaf stuck in that part for the entire video. Pretty impressive, not gonna lie. Anyways, guys, that is it for today's POV video in the C5. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video.